Everybody is just raving about retinoids, exfoliating acids, vitamin C, but no one, okay, almost no one is talking about azelaic acid. And azelaic acid is really an amazingly cool ingredient, and let me tell you why in this video. I will also be sharing my favorite azelaic acid product and 2 products I want to try. Hey you guys, what's up? I've been missed in action for 2 weeks actually, but I'm finally here, finally filming, and I am very happy to see you here. And if you're new, hey, I'm Kate, I'm a pharmacist, and let's start the video. It's a water, by the way, but I just wanted to show you my cup, which I made myself. And just before we start, guys, let me tell you that I finally opened my own Etsy shop. I got myself together and I opened my Etsy shop where I'm going to sell my digital templates, like invitations and some business card templates. So if you're interested, it's called Kate Aesthetic Space, and I will of course leave the link below down in the description. And please, if you feel like supporting a small business owner, do so, and you will make me beyond happy, but no pressure whatsoever. So you are very welcome there. And now let me tell you why azelaic acid is really amazing ingredient and why should you love it. Azelaic acid is produced by yeast, and it also can be found in such grains like barley, wheat and rye. It's a tyrosinase inhibitor, and we talked about tyrosinase inhibitors in my last video, and here's the link in case you want to watch it. And tyrosinase inhibitors, they inhibit tyrosinase production, and by which they stop melanin production. Melanin is a skin darkening pigment, and overproduction of melanin can lead to pigmentation. So basically, azelaic acid reduces hyperpigmentation, but this ain't all. And azelaic acid also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, so it's also great for fading acne scars, treating acne, but also rosacea, which is amazing. So we have 2 options available with prescription: a 15% azelaic acid gel, which is usually used in treatment of rosacea, and we have 20% gel, which is usually used in treatment of acne. But we can also find a 10% azelaic acid OTC, which is great. Which is also a cool thing to know is that you can use azelaic acid if you're pregnant or you're breastfeeding. And you know, there are a lot of ingredients that you can't use during pregnancy, like retinoids, salicylic acid, and many others, but you can use azelaic acid. And you know guys, I was pregnant and I was treating my pregnancy acne with Centella asiatica, and you know, Centella asiatica, by all means, Centella asiatica is great, but I wish I'd known about azelaic acid that time because it would be simpler. So basically, you can use azelaic acid to treat acne, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, but also post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. One amazing thing more about azelaic acid is that it's generally well tolerated by people with sensitive skin or very sensitive skin, and you still have to do a patch test because azelaic acid is not perfect, although it almost is. But it's not perfect because it still can cause side effects such as burning sensation, dryness, or itchiness. So please always, when you use an active ingredient, always do a patch test before using it, before first time of use. Don't do it every time when you use active ingredient, of course, but patch test is a must. And also guys, as with all the active ingredients, as with all the potent active ingredients, you should start slow and go high and build your skin tolerance toward the ingredient. And which means that you need to start azelaic acid from once a day in the evening, and then after a week or 2 you can go to twice a day. And yes, azelaic acid is not as potent as retinoids or salicylic acid, but it's still a strong ingredient. So yeah, you can use it every day, you can use it twice a day, but still, if your skin is not tolerating it, and yes, I know there are people who can use like retinoids and exfoliating acids together during one evening routine, and I don't know how they do it, but it's okay if their skin tolerates it, and it's also okay if your skin doesn't tolerate it. It's okay if your skin doesn't tolerate retinoids every day. You can use it once a week if you like, so if your skin likes it. And with azelaic acid, it's the same. If your skin doesn't tolerate it twice a day, use it once a day. If your skin doesn't tolerate it once a day, use every other day. Try and build your skin tolerance towards your active ingredients you're using. And it's okay if your skin reacts differently than any other person's skin. Every person's skin is individual, and it's only your skin you should be paying attention to, guys. And now let's talk about azelaic acid products. One I'm using right now I'm using for 3 weeks right now. 3 or 2 or 4 weeks. And 2 products I want to try, so they're on my wish list. And let's start. I myself am using the ordinary azelaic acid 10% suspension right now, and I really like it, guys. I'm using it for, I don't know how long I've been using it. It's like 2 to 4 weeks and I really like it. I'm using azelaic acid, I use vitamin C, I use retinoids, and I really like how my skin looks like. And I specifically decided not to wear makeup today because I wanted to show my real skin. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with my skin right now, guys. So yeah, I think it's mostly because retinoids, but also azelaic acid keeps my skin from redness around the nose, and also vitamin C I like to use under my eyes. And yeah, and so this one I like for the simple ingredient list, I like for the affordable price, and I also like how it feels on my skin. It feels very nice. And guys, it's really important because there are some products I really like by the ingredient list, but I've tried them and they just don't feel nice on the skin, and so I just don't want to use them. So it's important. Even if the product has amazing ingredient list, and ingredients are important, I'm not saying that ingredients are not important, of course. So yeah, but how the product feels on your skin is also important. Now let's talk about 2 products I have on my wish list, and the first one is the Redness Relief Solution by the Inky List, and it has 10% azelaic acid and 0.3% allantoin, and allantoin is one amazing ingredient for soothing your skin, so I really like it. I really love Inky List for the ingredients, for the affordability, and it's just one amazing brand. And guys, I'm gonna make my favorite products by the Inky List video soon, maybe in 2 or 3 weeks or so. So be prepared. These both, the ordinary and the Inky List, they have 10% azelaic acid inside, but in terms of formulation, the ordinary has silicones in it, and it feels like a primer, you know. Not like the Benefit Poreless Primer, of course, but it feels great on the skin, and we all know that silicones feel great on the skin. But silicones, if you have like 2 or 3 products with silicones on your skin, these can start peeling, and yeah, we don't like peeling. Of course, it hasn't happened to me because I just don't have a lot of products with silicones, and I mainly use this in my evening skincare routine, so this didn't happen to me. But the Inky List doesn't have any silicones in the ingredient list, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. And it's also an affordable brand. Let me see the price. Okay. It's $17.99, guys, $17.99, and I know it's still affordable, but you know, I guess that prices are rising right now, and we all just have to learn how to live with it. We just have to live with it. And let me see how much is the ordinary azelaic acid. And okay, it's $11.10. Okay, I guess that's the ordinary is now the affordable one. So moving to the product number 3. Now product number 2 on my wish list, and product number 3 on my list in this video, and it's gonna be Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid booster. And guys, I think you know, if you have been watching my videos, I love Paula's Choice. I love their ingredients. I love their ingredient book, or this ingredient dictionary, where Paula's Choice trying to teach us and educate us about ingredients they're using, and active ingredients, and all the ingredients they're using. So I really love Paula's Choice. Their ingredients are amazing, their products are amazing, their formulations are amazing, their prices, This is not an affordable brand, guys, and we all know that, but if you want to splurge on skincare, by all means, Paula's Choice is an amazing choice. Paula's Choice is an amazing choice and you won't regret it. You know, I have their 1% retinol treatment and I love it to the moon and back. My skin is amazing. I didn't have any side effects whatsoever, but my skin is my skin and your skin is your skin. There are definitely a lot more affordable products, retinol products like wishlist, Ordinary, many other brands. But if you want to splurge, Paula's Choice is amazing. And yes, wishlist probably is now less affordable than the Ordinary, but Paula's Choice, so wishlist is a lot more affordable than Paula's Choice. And let's see how not affordable is Paula's Choice. Paula's Choice 7% azelaic acid booster is $39, guys. $39. wishlist is fine. Okay, so there are definitely more azelaic acid products and more brands which make amazing azelaic acid products, but for now I just want to concentrate on these 3 brands, and I'm already using the Ordinary one and I'm already in love with it. So as soon as I'm finished with this one, I'm gonna try either wishlist or the Paula's Choice. And yes, we don't do overconsumption here, right? Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and put the thumbs up or comment down below. You know what the comments are, so that I understand that you like this video and I should make more videos like this. And anyway, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So thank you guys for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye!